she's... Oh, if that goes on YouTube, you're gonna get arrested. There's ice under here. Yes, I just slid. You okay, Scary? You alright? Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera, Scary. That's dog torture. That jacket isn't doing shit. What does everybody think watching this video? Is this jacket doing anything for this dog? No, it's doing nothing. What? Poor Scary, she's about had it. We'll need to carry her the rest of the way. Hi, Scary. Can you still see the camera? Yeah, but how's the lens look? It's okay? Don't touch me with your finger here. Better? See, it won't stick soon because the camera's now cold like everything else. It's only because it was warm. Oh, we can go over here. Oh. So? Too deep, Scarlett? Why? It's gonna blow back open anyway. Two feet for sure. Oh man. It's gonna be tough. I know. I have to. The footprints are blown in already. You see that? All right.